a state of calamity is not enough. There has to be a state of emergency because there is no local government functioning. Yung inaasahan nila na police, army, pati mga social workers, taga-gobyerno, lahat sila biktima, lahat sila may patay. Pati police, pati army doon patay. So there is no city government functioning. Hindi naman ako nag-ano, pero as a Filipino, I have to say something. Ang mga patay na sa dalan, as I said, I do not mean to be, God must have been somewhere else, or He forgot that there is a planet called Earth. Hindi ko malaman kung iiyak ako. I cannot shout in anger because you cannot be mad at anybody there. Maraming mga taga-Davao na nagbibigay ng pangalan to check. Walang barangay doon, walang gumagalaw. Ang mga tao parang zumbis naglalakad sa daan, humingi ng pagkain. Anak ka na itong buhay na to. Pulis na nga to, uniforme, patay. But pasabot, ang tanang tao nga to, di makabuhat sa ilang trabaho, kay biktima silang tanan. Gusto nga, you have to, Kapitol, you have to help. Wa sila kibaw eh. Sila mismong silingan, wa sila nangamatay ng Pilipino, tuan ninyo. Kasi pagkaon na lang. Alam mo, naawa ako sa kanila, even if they wanted to retreat and seek shelter, take off kasi.
You know, we only really started 2 years ago because nothing was done in the previous administration. Nothing was done in the administration before that. So, now, how long? 12 years on, ngayon pa lang talaga natin na inaasikaso ng mabuti. So,